Generating passive income streams is a great way to achieve financial independence and create wealth. Today, in this video, we are sharing 7 ways to generate passive income streams. Number 1. Real estate investments. Investing in rental properties or real estate crowdfunding platforms can provide a steady stream of passive income. By purchasing properties, renting them out, and leveraging property management services, you can earn consistent cash flow while benefiting from property appreciation over time. Number 2. Dividend stocks. Invest in dividend-paying stocks of established companies that distribute profits to shareholders regularly. By reinvesting the dividends into more shares or withdrawing them as cash, you can build a reliable source of passive income. Number 3. Peer-to-peer lending. Platforms like Prosper or Lending Club allow you to lend money directly to individuals or small businesses seeking loans without involving traditional banks. As borrowers repay their loans with interest, you earn regular interest payments on your investments. Number 4. Create an online course. If you have expertise in a particular field, consider creating an online course and selling it through platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Once created, your course becomes an evergreen product that generates revenue as new students enroll without requiring ongoing effort from your side. Number 6. Royalties from intellectual property. If you possess artistic skills such as writing books, composing music, inventing gadgets, or software programs, explore opportunities for licensing or royalty agreements with publishers or manufacturers who will pay you for the rights to use your work. Number 6. Affiliate marketing. Build a blog or website focused on specific niches, as for example fitness equipment, and incorporate affiliate marketing links within relevant content pieces promoting products related to those niches. As example, Amazon Associates. When visitors click on the links and make purchases through them, you receive a commission without having to handle any inventory yourself. And number 7. Realize digital product sales. Building digital products such as ebooks, templates, audio lessons, etc. could be sold via websites, as example Etsy.com. Remember, building passive income streams requires upfront effort and time investment. However, once established, these sources can generate ongoing income with minimal maintenance or active involvement, allowing you to enjoy the financial benefits while pursuing other ventures or enjoying personal freedom.